Hey guys, welcome back. I absolutely fell in love with this look on Ariana Grande in the new Rain On Me music video, and I knew that I really had to try to recreate it. I know the original artist is Michael Anthony, and I'll leave a link to his Instagram down below so you guys can check him out. Otherwise, let's get right into it. First off, I'm taking MAC Blacktrack Gel Liner and mapping out roughly and filling in the shape of my big wing liner. Over top of that mapped out shape, I'm taking Essence Ultra Precise Waterproof Liquid Liner in black to darken, sharpen, and intensify the liner as a whole. Now, the photo I was working from, which was not the best of quality because it was literally a photo I took with my phone of my computer screen of a freeze frame. Anyway, she had either crystals or pearls or something just underneath the inner corner of the brow, so I'm using clear Swarovski crystals and popping them on with a little bit of latex-free duo glue. For these metallic appliques, I mapped out my eye and cut these out of metallic scrapbooking tape that I picked up from Michael's. And I have hooded eyes, so my shape is a bit flatter and less rounded than Ariana's, so I tweaked it a little bit to make them fit, and then I popped a crystal on the outer corner. So I decided my liner apparently needed to be thicker, which realistically it should have been even thicker to be closer to the original look, but your girl doesn't have the lid space like Ariana does. Then of course some mascara. I'm using my favorite MAC Extended Play. Then I'm going in with a set of Kiss Dainty lashes because from watching the video it doesn't look like Ariana is wearing crazy dramatic lashes, so I kept them pretty light and wispy. Now lining the top and bottom waterline with a little bit of the Smashbox Always Sharp Retractable Liner in black. Cue strange hand signal for complexion time. I've already primed my skin with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going in first with my under eye concealer, and I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW20. And now my tried and true Deciem Serum Foundation in 1.0. Now to bring back some life and warmth into the skin, I'm taking the Chanel Cream Bronzer and popping that around the perimeter of my face. Then I'm hitting it with a little bit of Fit Me Concealer in Fair just to highlight the high points. Setting the under eye with a light layer of the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then all over the complexion I'm using a light dusting of the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in light to set the face. Then over the cream bronzer I'm adding some more warmth with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. On the cheeks, I mixed Melba and Desert Rose, both by MAC, then topped those off with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle to highlight. Now I'm taking the darkest matte gray shade out of the Smashbox Full Exposure palette to lightly smoke out the outer corner of the bottom lash line. I fully checked to see if there's a name for the shadow. Spoiler alert, there is not. So dark matte gray it is. Then on the inner corners I lightly highlighted with a bit of the light frosty shade from the same palette. I prepped the lip with a light layer of MAC Prep and Prime Lip and then went in with MAC Staunchly Stylish Liner. Ariana has a bit of a Kim Possible straight upper lip line, so I decided to go for a similar shape. I decided I wanted the liner to be a little bit browner, so I went in with a little bit of Stripdown before popping on Whirl Lipstick, both by MAC. And then I topped off the lip with a generous coat of the Essence Clear Lip Gloss because Ariana literally has the glossiest lips ever in the video. And then because I have literally the smallest lips in the world, I went in with a little bit of the Wayne Goss Lip Gloss in Tulip to lighten up the center and give it a little bit more of a pout. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me attempt to recreate this gorgeous makeup look. I actually had a ton of fun trying to piece together the look from close-ups in the video to a few pictures floating around online and on Instagram. I'm sure I didn't really do it justice, but it was fun nonetheless. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!